mo ti sọ fún yín pé mi ò ní dá sí show Sister Jókòtádé àti Sister Wonola, but àti débì kan sìn tó jẹ́ pé we have to ṣe kíni, we have to interfere. I'm not interfering in the essence of Dorcas or for Dorcas or for Osha tí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn keep coming up in the conversation. But ibi tí mo ti fẹ́ intercept ni ọ̀rọ̀ Wunmi, because there are some things that are not supposed to be said that are being said online. First thing first, ẹ wo, ẹ má sọ anything, ẹ má try láti ṣe anything. Ẹ jẹ́ àkókò dá sí, ẹ jẹ́, this is getting way out of hand. And this is going to affect somebody because this is not fracas. I'm looking at the interest of Omowunmi. She has been through a lot. This nonsense has to stop. She has been through enough. Anybody tó bá bára ẹ̀ ṣàbòsí lẹ́yìn, ẹ bára yín ṣàbòsí. Ẹ jẹ́ wọ́n kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí Sister Jókòtádé kí tó wọnú ọ̀rọ̀ Wunmi lọ. First thing first, Sister Jókòtádé, I hope you understand how fracas works, because I think you are getting it mixed up. I'm going to be brutal now. I hope you understand. Wípé gbogbo àwọn wèrè tó ń support yín yẹn, they are just instigating you. Kán lè forí yín gba orí ìdọ̀kásì ni, ó ti tán. Gbogbo àwọn ewúrẹ́, gbogbo àwọn student, gbogbo àwọn student amẹ̀bọ̀, àwọn òṣì ìsínwérí yẹn. Ìjà tó ń bá dọ̀kásì jà ló fẹ́ bá yín jà. Ló fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wọn bá jà, so that they will have content to put on their page. That is why Dorcas already know where this is going to end. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe kíni tó ṣe tètè pull back. Wípé tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ fún yín pé ẹ má jà o, kíní kan, ẹ má dọ̀rọ̀ sí. Osha too understand. Do not involve me in your fight, in your saga tó wà láàrin ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. But since ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹ ti sọra yín di kíni, ẹ ti sọra yín nǹkan, ẹ fẹ́ fi ra yín jílẹ̀, kò sí wàhálà, we are already here, we are already there. If anybody is telling you anything concerning Dorcas Sister Joko, I hope you understand. Torí mo ń sọ bí òwe fún yín. Pé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá reveal sí, àwọn yìí tá a máa gbé, wọ́n sì máa lo kíní against you. This is how social media works. They don't like you. They don't like Dorcas. They don't like none of you. They are just going to pick your word against you later. But nsìn, ẹ máa rò pé wọ́n wà lẹ́yìn, you should understand. These are not your people. These are just people that just want to use your head. Simple as that. Instigating you, manipulating you, updating for you, carrying your show, play your show. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ara game náà ni. Wọ́n gbá game fún yín ni. Either you like it or not, you are being played. And I think it's high time you understand that. You are not winning. None of you, both you and Wanuko Sele, you don't win again. You are just giving your enemies weapon that they are going to use against you. But of course, these people are smart. They are smarter than the two of you. So they know what, this is not about defending yourself or anything. Sometimes, silence is shaking, is golden. Kì í ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ní a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kán lè mọ̀ pé mi náà much bad. At this point, there are so many things on the line tí ò fi wọ́ọ̀tì kéèyàn bára èèyàn jà. But yín méjèèjì ṣe kí ni ẹ kó tí ikún sí. Ẹ ń ṣe bí ọmọdé lọ́nà yìí. Mi ò mọ problem yín o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dàgbà tó yẹn. Ẹ̀yin méjèèjì mi ò mọ problem yín. Number one, ẹ fi ti wọnú sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́, mò ń bọ̀ lórí yẹn. But Alhaja Jókòtádé, you are a mother, you are a grandmother now. No, so we can stop and go show. But you should understand that there are consequences for the thing. Ibi 31, say ibi 30 day. You should understand right now. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ bá ṣe or nǹkan tẹ́ bá sọ. Ó máa reveal àwọn nǹkan kan síta. Àwọn nǹkan kan tí ò dẹ̀ dá. A lot of people's life is on the line. Ní mọ́gbà tẹ́ máa sọ. Ẹ lè má sọ gan kan change ọ̀rọ̀ yín kan sọ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ lélẹ̀. Ẹ ti pẹ́ ń di fracas ju kẹ́ máa understand bó ṣe ń lọ náà. Kí ni wọn náà bá ṣe fún yín? kí ni wọnú ò bá ìṣe fún yín? Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ, gbogbo àṣírí ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń gbé wá, kí ni wọnú ò bá ìṣe fún yín? Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ pé àbí kẹ́ ẹ pa àwọn èèyàn tó bẹ̀rù ni, àwọn èèyàn tó respect ni, àwọn yẹn lẹ máa pè tó máa bá wí. Àwọn yẹn lẹ máa pè, kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ là ń sá lóòrùn. Alájà Jókòó Tádé, àgbàlagbà ni ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ understand. Kì í ṣe gbogbo aṣọ là ń sá lóòrùn. Níbi tó dẹ̀ dé, àwọn èèyàn tó mojú ẹ̀ lẹ máa pè. You take it off of social media. Ẹ̀gbọ́n dọ̀rọ̀lẹ́ lójú tí you are feeling like Mike Tyson. Lójú tàwọn tó fẹ́ bà ti yín jẹ́, they are picking your words. Ọjọ́ tí gbogbo kíní rárá tẹ́ ń ṣe tó bá ti hand lórí social media, àwọn yẹn ń bọ̀ wá kó gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ti sọ yẹn, wọ́n ń bọ̀ wá lò. I don't understand why you people don't see that. Wọ́n ń bọ̀ wá fẹ́yìn méjèèjì ṣẹ́sìn. Gbàgbé. Àti winner àti loser, wọ́n ń bọ̀ wá fẹ́yìn méjèèjì ṣẹ́sìn. Bẹ́lẹ̀ bá ṣe sọ ti yín nìyẹn náà ṣe máa sọ ti ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n bọ̀ wá fi kíní, wọ́n bọ̀ wá fojú yín gbolẹ̀. Ẹ wá máa rántí pé tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ ti mọ̀ ní kẹ́ má sọ orúkọ báyìí, tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ ti mọ̀ ní kẹ́ má ṣe orúkọ báyìí. They are going to use your words against you. That is it. Nǹkan tó ń pè fracas ni. If you can walk away, walk away. If you cannot walk away, go behind social media and ṣe kíní and settle it. Or give her your kíní, your 2 cents. Or never even speak to her again. There are so many ways you could have gone better on this route. But no, you guys don't want that. Ẹ máa fira yín, ẹ máa sọra yín dáláwàdà adìyẹ lójú àwọn ọ̀tá yín. Láyọ̀ bó ṣe ń crop yín tó ń crop yín. Àwọn amẹ̀bọ náà jókòó síbẹ̀, àwọn ewúrẹ́ náà jókòó síbẹ̀. Àwọn yẹn tó tẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣá ọ̀rọ̀ kí ni àwọn ewúrẹ́ fẹ́ ṣá ọ̀rọ̀ wọnú jẹ. Àwọn láyọ̀ fẹ́ ṣá ọ̀rọ̀ ti wọnú, ọ̀rọ̀ wọnú ló ń dùn àwọn jù. Ìṣe pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín. Bọ̀ wọ́n torí pé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀nú náà ń bájà, wọ́n fún yín ní kinní, wọ́n jíńjà yín pé kẹ́ máa kó lé. Ọjọ́ tó bá ti wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bẹ́yìn jà, gbogbo nǹkan tí wọnú sọ wọ́n tọ́jú ẹ̀ o, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ń bọ̀ wá lò láti fi bẹ́yìn náà jà. Gbalagbala ń dá iná. Wọ́n máa jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ tí ò tó nǹkan kan kọ́ máa gbá orí wa síra lórí social media. Wọ́n máa fẹ́ lè gbé yín kọlu Dorcas torí pé kí ni wọ́n ń bá Dorcas jà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n kàn ń forí yín gbára. Tó bá jẹ́ pé orí mọ̀mọ́ náà fi ń gbára ń sìn, orí yẹn tẹ̀ ti gbàbọ̀dé so kò sí big deal. Ìyẹn ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe mọ́. Bọ̀ ẹ̀yin Àjà Jókòó Tádé, bọ̀ ẹ̀yin ṣé máa sọ pé ẹ̀ máa wọ́n tẹ̀lé pé ni wọ́n pé wọnú wọn ò bí dáa kó má gbọ́rọ̀ sí wọn lẹ́nu. Ṣé máa sọ pé ẹ̀ máa wọ́n tẹ̀ máa pè ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ Wọnú àti Wùmí, whatever happened between Wọnú and Wùmí, whatever Wùmí tell you should not have come to social media. You made a mistake there. Àgbàlagbà ò kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọnú praying for Wùmí. Wùmí need all the prayer, all the support, everything she can get. Wùmí is in a very dicey situation. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, she needs the prayer, she needs the support she can get. Support tí Wùmí rí lọ́mọ yẹn ò tí ì fi crumble. Tí ò bá sí support nǹkan. You think you are the only one doing it. A lot of people are doing it, giving her support. Ó pray fún. Ó pe rẹ̀ ń wòlíì. Ó lè jẹ́ wòlíì náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, most of people tó bá ń lọ White Garment Church, most of them wòlíì ni wọ́n náà. Wọ́n ríran. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ó lè jẹ́ wòlíì. Ó lè ríran sí Wùmí. What's the big deal? Kádùrá ṣáà ti gbà ní. Kò síbi wèrè gan lè gbàdúrà fún yàn. Wèrè gan lè jíṣẹ́ fún yàn. Èèyàn tó ti mọ tí yóò gan lè jíṣẹ́ fún yàn. Ṣebí ilé ayé láti mọ gbogbo ẹ̀. So why do you bring that on social media? Even if you have to tell Wùmí to be careful, you are not supposed to bring that on social media. To use it to lie on her. Bí pé she's done. What if she's a prophet and you don't know it? What if she is? Mo kàn sọ pé what if ni? Being a prophet could lie anything low now. Being a prophet kì í ṣe nǹkan tó la nǹkan rẹpẹtẹ lọ bẹ́yẹn. Kí ló wà lọ́wọ́ Wùmí tí Wọnú fẹ́ gbà? Think about it. Wùmí tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n sì ń wọ́n náà tó fi máa fún ní nǹkan torí ọ̀rọ̀ kóòtù lọ́yà. Kí ló wà lọ́wọ́ Wùmí tí Wọnú fẹ́ gbà? Wọ́n bá tiẹ̀ confide nínú yín kọ̀kọ̀. You are not supposed to bring it to social media. Mo mọ̀ pé ìjáde lórí ìjòwé understandable. But it is sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Fún àgbàlagbà, I don't know. You are so obsessed with you want to win. And at the end of the day, you cannot win. This is social media. At the end of the day, they are going to use your words against you. They are going to use your words against you. That is that for that. One all I'll get in here. Surely tear go. Yàtọ̀ sí pé nǹkan tí Ajé Àjókòtádé sọ nípa you being a prophet, you not being a prophet, that's by the way. But surely tear go eléyìí tó ṣe Ọlọ́run, my hands drop. Kí ló dé tẹ́yin méjèèjì ò lè jàjà yín náà láì má include anybody? Bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ ní nǹkan kan against ara yín. You are just trying to use this one to fight for yourself, use this one to Ajé Àjókòtádé mú ọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí wọlé wípé o fẹ́ lọ gbá Wùmí ni pẹ̀lú being a prophet. Ìwọ náà jáde, ó gbé conversation ìwọ àti Ajé Àjókòtádé jáde. Sórí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì Ọlọ́run ẹ disappoint ara yín. Ọlọ́run. Sórí ilé tí ìwọ wá ṣe wọnú is very very brutal. Òun sọ pé Ajé Àjókòtádé sọ fún ìwọ wípé Wùmí ó ń lo substance. Òun sọ pé Ajé Àjókòtádé sọ fún ìwọ pé ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé Wùmí ló pa ọkọ ẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀. Like what the are you people mad? Ṣé ẹ já wèrè ni? Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ọmọ yẹn, ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn wèrè bàbá Mohbad team wọ́n ń ṣa gbogbo nǹkan jọ báyìí ni pẹ̀lú gbogbo dicey situation tó wà. They are picking anything, any crumbs náà ń ṣá. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ support Wùmí tẹ́ súnmọ́ gbágbágbá ìgan. Ẹ̀yin gan gangan tẹ́ ń dálẹ̀ gan ló pọ̀ jù. Òun ni ò tí ì jẹ́ ká rójú tu gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń kà, you are reading from a script of somebody very close to me that is very close to Liam. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀rú situation tí Wùmí wà. Kí ló ṣe ẹ̀ náà? Àwọn nǹkan míì wà tán bá tiẹ̀ sọ fún ẹ, ó yẹ kó ṣe kó parẹ́ mọ́ ẹ nínú. Ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí mú ọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí, ẹ wá fi ń ta òkú ọ̀rọ̀ síra yín. Sórí ń ta ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ni. Wọnú, you are making an allegation as somebody tó ti ṣe law. Ó yẹ kó understand pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa kà yẹn conversation láàrin ìwọ àti Ajé Àjókòtádé, as close as Ajé Àjókòtádé is with Wùmí, and Wùmí has a case in court lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ as ìwọ tó ṣe law. Ṣé kò yẹ kó mọ ibi tó ti máa draw a line? Kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan níjà. And this is not even a defense for you. This is you trying to ruin Wùmí's life. This thing has nothing to do with Jókòtádé. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ súnmọ́ Wùmí gan, ẹ̀yin gangan lórí yín ò pé Ọlọ́run. This cannot even make that Wùmí trust any one of you anymore. It's not about the context of this thing, but you are not looking at the bigger picture. What the context of that message, gravity tó gbé. Nǹkan tó sọ yìí sìn, where do you think it's going to end? You won. One king. The two of you, you throw Wùmí in the middle. Ẹ wá fi Wùmí, ẹ wá fi ń ta káìtì láàrin ara yín ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Sórí ń ta yín ni. Báwo làwọn àgbàlagbà ṣe ń ṣe láńgbáláńgbá báyìí náà? That girl, has she not suffer enough? Ṣé kò tí She has gone through hell and back. This is not even the time. Tí gbogbo ẹ̀ tẹ́ ti fẹ́ yanjú yìí. Ṣé mọ̀ pé àwọn òjòsí, they are looking for anything to drag this case. And Wonu, you know that. Why do you think saying something like that or reading out that chart is not going to have any effect on? You are not even supposed to bring a chart like that outside. Ìwọ àti Ìjókòó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ ṣàbòsí lẹ́yìn. ṣe bẹ́jọ́ ṣàbòsí lẹ́yìn ní ẹjọ́ ṣàbòsí Wùmí nìyà. But you don't care about that girl. You don't. You only care about yourself. Saving face on Facebook. Kò sí integrity láàrin ẹ̀yin méjèèjì. Ẹ ní integrity kankan. Ẹ dẹ̀ kí n ronú future pé in the nearest future, what if what I'm reading is being used against this girl? Our lawyers are everywhere picking anything. Mo ti ń rí nǹkan tó ń kà yẹn. Àwọn kí lorúkọ eléyìí ló wú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn tí ń bàbá jò sí. Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbé sórí page wọn. You are over there creating more problem for Omowunmi. Kí ló ń ṣe yín náà? Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ jàjà yín síwájú. Èébùkún ara ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ẹ̀ ṣe fi èébú ara yín búra yín náà. Ṣé Wùmí ń ṣe fracas ni? Kí ló dé tó yẹ pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ lè ń dá sílẹ̀ nínú gbogbo ìjà tẹ́ ń jà yìí? Ẹ jẹ́ kó rí yín pé náà. Ṣé ẹ máa sọ fún wa pé ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe ó lè implicate ọmọ yẹn ni? Ṣé ẹ máa sọ fún wa pé ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe ó lè implicate ọmọ yẹn? Ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ fún wa nìyẹn? At least ìwọ wọnú kàwé náà. Tó yẹ kó gbójú, kò sí nǹkan tí jókòó lè sọ. Gbójú kó máa tẹ̀ máa wò ó tí ẹ kò sí ní anything. Wa mú chat wa àti jókòó. The chat is not between you and Joko. It's now about somebody else. Tẹ́jọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ojú ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Tẹ́jọ́ ṣèbàjẹ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ẹ dẹ̀ máa dé iwájú ẹ̀ máa rẹ́rìn sí. You are not even supposed to read it out to the public. But you read it out because you too, ego ti ba ayé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì jẹ́. Èmi náà máa ṣe tiẹ̀ padà at the detriment of Omowunmi. Ìkànnà ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ bára yín dà, fight on your own terms. Ẹ fọmọ kékeré yẹn lẹ̀. Enough is enough. Àwọn tí ń jòsí tí wọ́n ń gbé fídíò ẹ̀ wọnú gbogbo chat tó ń kà síta between you and Joko nípa Omowunmi àti gbogbo nǹkan tó Omowunmi sọ. God. Ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o. Ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o, ẹ lọ́pọlọ o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń bẹ̀yìn ó ti tó kẹ̀kẹ́ sẹ́tù gbogbo ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń ṣagídí. Ẹ ṣe gbélé ayé ara yín, ẹ gbé àwọn ọmọ yín jáde kẹ́ máa fi ṣépè náà, kẹ́ máa fi ṣépè fúnra yín. Ẹ fọmọ Wùmí lẹ̀. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá sọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lẹ́jọ́ ọmọ torí ẹjọ́ ṣàbòsí ẹ̀ ni. Alábòsí lẹ́yìn méjèèjì. Tẹ́ bá wá déwájú ọmọ yẹn máa wá ṣe kí ni? Ẹ máa bóyín bíi pé ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́. Títójú akátá bá léwó ṣó gbẹnu ẹdìyẹ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ni. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ló tún yẹ kẹ́ máa tó wá gbé ọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí jáde lórí social media? Ìkàlẹ̀ ẹ̀yin méjèèjì Ọlọ́run. Já mọ̀mọ́ tiẹ̀ fún lọ́mú. Ọ̀rọ̀ Wùmí lẹ wá fẹ́ fi bára yín jà. At the end of the day, the things you are not supposed to say, you are saying it. Ó yẹ kó fáṣí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì ní Ọlọ́run. Níbi tó dẹ̀ dé pẹ̀lú bí social media ṣe rí, pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tọ́mọ yẹn ti go through, you will not ṣe kí ni bring something like that out. Never. Torí ẹ tún ṣe kí ni ẹ tún da petrol sí kíní yẹn ni. Ẹ tún da petrol sí nǹkan tó ti ń jó tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Kò sí wàhálà. Ibi báyìí làwà. Aṣá máa mọ ibi tẹ́ bá ti ṣẹ̀ sí yín dé. Ṣùgbọ́n orí yín ṣáà máa pé.